Would you like to understand how people use CrakRevenue Affiliate Network to get results? Then watch this video till the end. You can see on my screen, I have got good results from CrakRevenue Affiliate Network. I'm going to share with you step by step so you can watch this video till the end. First of all, I will select high paying CPA offers on CrakRevenue Affiliate Network, and then I will create landing page for that CPA offer. I will show you how CrakRevenue Affiliate Network will work. As always, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency and traffic. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, you can visit on CrakRevenue Affiliate Network. Guys, this is a best and most popular CPA network. You can get high paying CPA offers on CrakRevenue Affiliate Network. Here you can see promotion tools. You can get banner ads, smart link, live cam widget, direct link, pre-roll ads, and there are many more. You can choose any of this promotion tool to get amazing results. Here you can see CrakRevenue Affiliate Network has got 5-star ratings. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on sign up button. You can sign up with Google, or you can type your first name, last name, your email address, password. You can read and agree its terms of service. At last, you can click on create affiliate account button. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. Here you can see your affiliate rankings. Here you can see amount. Here you can see top offers. You can also click on offers button. Here you can see there are a lot of CPA offers to choose from. You can choose any of these CPA offers to promote on your website. If you promote this CPA offer, when people from these countries complete the required step, then you will be able to get this amount. You can choose any of these CPA offers to promote on your website. If you do not have website, then don't worry. I will show you how you can create attractive website to promote this CPA offer. Guys, if you promote this CPA offer, when people from these countries complete the required step, then CrakRevenue may credit your account with the payout shown for this offer. You can click here to open this CPA offer. Here you can see offer description. Here you can see payout. Here you can see top performing countries. Here you can see accepted countries. This CPA offer is accepted in 20 countries. You can scroll down. Here you can see CPA link. You can insert this CPA link on your website. You can also choose another CPA offer to promote. You can choose any of this CPA offer. You can click here to open this CPA offer. It will then take you to this page. Here you can see offer description. Here you can see payout. Here you can see top performing countries. Here you can see accepted countries. This CPA offer is accepted in 23 countries. Here you can see CPA link. You can insert this CPA link on your website. If you do not have website, then don't worry. I'm going to show you how you can create a website to promote this CPA offer. Before we begin, I have something special for those who want to take their CPA marketing skills to the next level. I have created a complete guide called Hidden Secrets of CPA Marketing, where I have explained advanced strategy, real examples, proven methods, and practical steps you can start using immediately. If you want a structured roadmap, clear explanations, and techniques that actually work, then this guide will definitely help you improve your CPA marketing journey. You can check it out using the link below anytime. Now let's continue with the tutorial. You can go on bolt.new platform. Guys, this is the best platform to create a website. You can create stunning apps. You can create websites. You need to type your prompt. Guys, you can use ChatGPT platform to generate prompt. Here you can see ChatGPT has generated great prompt. I'm going to copy this prompt. Now visit on bolt.new platform. Paste here that prompt. Click on build now button. Guys, it will take some time to build a website. I have written this kind of text on ChatGPT platform. Give me prompt to build website to promote dating offers. It should follow YT rules, Google rules, and CPA offer rules. I want to use bolt.new platform to build a website. Also, it should include AI image. Here is CPA link. I have pasted CrakRevenue CPA link. Here you can see restrictions. If you use this kind of traffic, then CrakRevenue network may not credit your account. I have used this prompt on bolt.new platform. Here you can see bolt.new platform has made great website. This AI platform has added CPA link on this button. You can click here to publish this website. Click on publish button. You can see this website is publishing. You need to wait some time. You can see this website has published successfully. Here is showing URL of this website. If you want custom domain, then you can click here. You can click here to buy new domain, or you can click here to add a domain you own. If you want to change this URL, then you can click here. You can update this domain. Now you can click on save button. Here you can see updated URL of this website. Click here to copy this URL. Now I'm going to open this URL in new tab. You can see this website is looking great. Bolt.new AI platform has added CPA link on this button. When user will click on this button, then they are redirected to the CPA offers landing page. User should be from these countries. When that user will complete the required action, then CrakRevenue may credit your account with the payout shown for this offer. So guys, you can use these methods to understand how CrakRevenue works and how creators get results with this platform. If you want to learn more about CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.